In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download the Hamster Kombat app. Now, this is actually a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So you may have been on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store trying to find the Hamster Kombat app. However, you probably struggled to actually find it. So how do we actually go about downloading this app? You see, the Hamster Kombat app was actually built on top of Telegram, and that means in order to play the game, we will have to first download Telegram Messenger. Now, you'll be able to find this on the App Store of whatever device you have, and what you need to do is just download this messenger, and you can just create an account for free today. So when you've actually signed up for Telegram for the first time, your app will look similar to what you're seeing on screen now, with 0 chats. And in order to access the Hamster Kombat game, you actually want to go to the description of this video, because I'm going to include an invitation link. So when you go to that top link in this video's description, you'll actually find a link to Telegram, and when you click on that, you'll get taken to this page. So we can simply click start at the bottom of the page, and from there we can scroll down and we can get started by clicking this play in one click button. As you can see, it starts loading and we've now got access to Hamster Kombat. So that's how you can download Hamster Kombat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.